guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. We're here at the Carlisle springtime event, largest classic car buy, sell, trade event of the year. We're going to take you through a bunch of classic cars for sale today. If you see anything you like, do me a favor, please pause, take down the number, give them a call. Also, if you want to see more classic cars, hit the subscribe button. We got new videos coming out every week. We'll see you. You're going to see a bunch of classic cars today, so stay tuned.
Nah.
Sorry.
Dang, you're good.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry.
No problem. Alright guys, look at this Chevelle SS 68 factory 4-speed 396 45 grand. That's the number.
You didn't flop or anything. You were 17 years old.
1950, 15K on it. Look at this, guys. How cool is this?
I've known the car since it was brand new. That's nice. Yeah, nice car.
But I think, I don't know, man, I think these 80s muscle cars are going to be coming up and going. Because this shit is so good. Where to hold you back? So this is something. Yeah, now this one, I'm going to go back to this because this was actually a pretty good deal. As you could see, behind it was listed for 45 or best offer. So this car was probably sold for 40-ish. This was a good deal.
How much?
45, it's sold.
You would have bought it? Why ain't Chris going with you? Huh?
Why ain't Chris ain't going with you?
I'm waiting for you to come.
See this fastback over here?
Go price on
It's a 408. It means it's old.